I have two microphones, so each microphone has its own separate audio track. If you run into the issue where your left audio track is on the right side, like I'm on the right side here, but my audio is on the left. I'm like scared.
Scared of what?
Okay, so I want to switch that. So it's simple. We just have to make sure the audio track is highlighted, then right click it. And then after you right click it, go to audio channels. From audio channels, you'll see it right here. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you need me to explain, the left side needs to be on the right. So I'm gonna uncheck that, put it on the right. Now this puts both of the audio tracks on the right side. So it's nothing on the left. So we need that right one to go to the left. So uncheck that and then check the left. And then we can select OK. Now everything is good in the world again. I'm like scared. And if you ever run into the issue where, say for example, if my audio on the right side was completely gone, if you only have like one-sided audio, so only left or only right, but you need to like fill it out. I did a video on this as well, but just to tell you real quick to end this video, if you have this issue where you need to fill one side of the audio or like balance it out, go to audio effects and then go to special. So within the effects tab, go to audio effects and then special. And then from here you can see fill right with left or fill left with right. But when it comes to switching the audio, this is all I got for you for this video. And if you are interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products like this one, feel free to subscribe for more. And if this helped you out, leave a comment letting everybody know. All right, so that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.